Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your skill battery isn't charging at all, it can be really frustrating, especially when the charger shows no response or refuses to start charging. Sometimes this happens because the battery voltage has dropped too low and the charger can't detect it properly. This makes it seem like the battery is completely dead, even though it might still be recoverable. The process of jump-starting a battery is used to wake it up just enough so the charger can recognize it again. It sounds complicated, but in many cases, it's a simple fix if done carefully. The key is to follow safe steps and avoid forcing anything that could damage the battery. Try these. Step 1. Place the battery on the charger and check if any light appears. Step 2. Remove and reinsert the battery to ensure proper contact. Step 3. Clean the battery and charger terminals gently. Step 4. Let the battery reach room temperature if it's too hot or cold. Step 5. Try a different compatible charger to trigger charging. Step 6. If still not detected, leave it on the charger for a while or consider battery replacement.